Apparently one of my new bees has come over here to make sure I'm doing it right. Get the honey hive frames ready so I can move the bees from their nook into their new home, their new hive. Put some beeswax on these plastic frames. It's supposed to encourage the bees to use them. So, me being a first year person doing this, with somebody who is a certified master beekeeper and been doing it for 15 years and is jumping from 200 hives to 400 hives this year, tells you to do something a certain way, or advises you to do something, I should say, because like he said, there's a million different ways to do this stuff, and he just has his way of doing it and it works. So one side. Yeah, wear your arm out, or your wrist, I should say. We'll switch hands for a minute. Only 2.5 frames, and boy, my hand's about wore out. It's really sus because I'm right-handed, not left-handed. All right, that's 3 down, 2 to go. I'll show y'all shortly when I'm ready to take the bees over and put them from the nook into the